I beg of you to give me uninterrupted enough time because right now it is 4:1. And I hope my good sister Sanjuji doesn't mind, but she is included in that 4 because she's not going to like what I'm going to say. Last time she didn't like it, she equated me to Rahul Gandhi. मैं अभी तक recover नहीं कर पाया हूँ. I'm going to sue her in the courts for saying that.
No, वो तो ठीक है, but are you also going abroad soon?
I won't say which country I'm going abroad to. Visa ही नहीं मिलता, मेरी ये problem है. No, look, 2 questions to this, as Sanjuji said, Darbari ecosystem. Very simple question. Rahul Gandhi accused the election commission of being a stooge of the BJP, saying that vote चोरी करवा रही है election commission, BJP को जितवा रही है. क्यों? क्योंकि एक बैंगलोर सेंट्रल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में बीजेपी को में पाए गए, बीजेपी जो जीती थी, देवर 11,000 डुप्लीकेट वोट्स. चलिए मान लिया राहुल गांधी को. Will the people in the panel below please explain? Does that mean that election commission is also a stooge of Congress and the Rahul Gandhi? Because in the constituency where Rahul Gandhi won, why not? There were 19,000 duplicate votes. In the constituency where Priyanka Gandhi won, Raebareli, there were 20,000 duplicate votes. Please explain this. And you have already explained each and every discrepancy that was highlighted by Rahul Gandhi. Look, I am not denying the fact that discrepancies and irregularities happen. For heaven's sake, 900 million Indians are voting. There's not some New Zealand going to polls or Finland going to polls. The fact of the matter is you will have discrepancies, but what they're alleging is that discrepancies are deliberately being committed by the EC to favor a party. That is wrong. And here where I come very briefly, 30 seconds, to 4:1 equation. Because I say Rahul Gandhi is right. You know why? Because the person who in my eyes is creating culpability, is Mr. Gyanesh Kumar. Because he is not suing Rahul Gandhi. And this is where Sanju Verma will accuse me of being Rahul Gandhi. The fact of the matter is Rahul Gandhi will continue to berate the election commission, continue to berate Gyaneshwar Kumar until or unless he is taken to the courts.
Now wait till you are called Sam Pitroda now. Sanju Verma, respond.
Exactly what Rahul Gandhi did. You're coming, sitting, you're on national TV and you're undermining the credibility of Gyanesh Kumar. अभी आपको राहुल गांधी बोल दूंगी तो आपको बुरा लग जाएगा. Bring on the lawsuit against me, Mr. Ranganathan. Sue me in court. But I still hope you will never do this 300 kg versus 3000 kg वाला comparison. कि मोटरसाइकिल 300 kg की है, कार 3000 kg की है. ये वाला comparison मत दीजिए, Mr. Ranganathan. I'm sure you are not that skilled like Rahul Gandhi to come up with these absurdities.
But Sanju Verma, Dr. Ranganathan has a point. He keeps talking about it. वो बोल रहे हैं कि election commission को थोड़ा, you know, in his words, he says, show some spine. अगर कोई slander campaign किसी ने शुरू किया है, तो आप उसको ठीक है, politely आप counter कर रहे हैं, press releases, etc., etc. But going to the court is also, you know, a legally acceptable way.
Yes, I will just answer that in 20 seconds. Do you remember, Pranesh, and I've done a zillion debates with you and Mr. Ranganathan. Everybody said in the National Herald scam, the Gandhis will never be asked to be physically present in court. And today Gandhis are running. When I say Gandhis, I mean Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. They're running from pillar to post because Enforcement Directorate ने जबरदस्त केस बनाया है. तो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Do not write off the BJP. Do not write off Gyanesh Kumar. सही वक्त पे the whip will be cracked against Rahul Gandhi.
No, that is for Gyanesh Kumar to answer. वो तो आपसे बस आपका व्यू पूछ रहे थे. But Tehseen, look what is happening to Congress in Karnataka. One MLA's vote. Dr. Ranganathan, 1 minute. एक है Mr. Nanjay Gowda. His election was set aside. In Telangana, you have a Congress leader who's now facing a police probe.
Okay, Pranesh, just 2 very quick points. Point number 1 that I'll answer on this allegation of this 0 house number, which the election commission has put out an answer, which you also referred to. Dr. Muni is right. Look, election commission says, look, those who don't have addresses or, you know, or permanent addresses or whatever, we use this as house number 0 so that they're not left out of the system. Let's accept this as an argument. But the Aadhaar, show me one Aadhaar that has house number 0. Aadhaar is the proof of identification and residence. We all accept it. Aadhaar में नहीं है, but they want to link the same Aadhaar to the electoral roll, which does not have zero. ये इलेक्शन कमीशन किसी और को इस तरह की बातें बताए. But second point at least ये. डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन ने सिंह रायबरेली में फ्रॉड हुआ, वायनाड में फ्रॉड हुआ, अनुराग ठाकुर जी से यहाँ पर फ्रॉड हुआ, डायमंड हार्बर में फ्रॉड हुआ. हम वही तो कह रहे हैं कि फ्रॉड हो रहा है. तो प्लीज, we are saying nobody should cheat. Dr. Anand Ranganathan saying everybody should cheat. That is the difference between Dr. Anand Ranganathan and the Congress. The Congress is saying nobody should cheat.
Okay, this is beyond the Rahul Gandhi comparison.
No, today, I think Sanju has to revise what she said. It is not me who is Rahul Gandhi. It is Tehseen who is behaving like Rahul Gandhi. First of all, I never ever said that everyone should cheat. I mean, Pradesh, did you hear me say that? This is ridiculous. Look, let me reiterate, because all what Tehseen has said, first of all, his expression looks like when Sanjuji was speaking was as if he smelled something terrible, rotten egg or something like that. So Tehseen, please correct your expression. Now, what I am trying to say, please listen, and Sanjuji, please also you provide a helpful ear. What happened when Rahul Gandhi said, Supreme Court said Chaukidar chor hai. Supreme Court asked him to explain. He went crawling to the Supreme Court and grovelled an apology. Uske baad se, do you know one statement where Rahul Gandhi has repeated it? No. Sabak seekh diya. Ab yahan pe, I don't care if Rahul Gandhi keeps on slandering and abusing any political party or Modi. Let him do it. I care because I took part in the elections. And
no, you are right. And the spokesperson from the RJD, Dr. Shyam Kumar, in the beginning said, Rajnitik, he said, constitutional bodies cannot be allowed to turn political. Sir, इसका vice versa भी नहीं हो सकता है. राजनीतिक पार्टियां, जो political parties हैं, they cannot, pronounce verdicts like constitutional bodies. What the Congress is doing with Eagle or, whatever team they've created. So there are genuine concerns that you voice, but you can't start a smear campaign and then run away. We've run out of time. I thank all of you for joining us on India Front. The news are with Navika Kumar on the other side.